What is the fastest way you can grow your downline in MLM and the fastest way to grow your affiliate marketing business? In this video, I'm going to reveal to you the fastest way to grow your MLM downline and the fastest way to grow your affiliate marketing business, and also the fastest way to sell your product in MLM. So what is the fastest way? The fastest way is leveraging the internet. So you might ask, how are we going to leverage the internet? Well, there's a couple ways. The first way is we're going to be making a bridge page funnel. A bridge page is a way to introduce yourself, let them know a little bit about the product and what to expect on the next page, and also offer a reason why they should buy from you instead of anybody else who's selling this product. A bridge page also offers you a way to build your email list, so you're not just sending them straight over to the MLM product page or affiliate product page and then never having that customer again. When you grow an email list, you can keep this customer for life and continue to sell to them on the back end. And they also may not buy your product the first time through the funnel. And if you don't build your email list, you have no way to contact them again or follow up. It's something like 75 to 80% of all sales happen on the follow. If you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to show you an example of the product funnel that I use and the recruiting funnel I use and the affiliate product funnel I use at the end of this video. Now, I want to tell you guys something that may surprise you or you may not agree with, but it's the truth. And as soon as you accept it, you'll have a lot more success in MLM and affiliate marketing. What I'm going to tell you is it's all the same model. They're both products where you don't control the cart or control anything. So you have to put something in that you do control. Also, places like Facebook and YouTube a lot of times will deny your ads if you send them straight to the MLM product page or recruiting page or affiliate product page. So you want to put something, aka a bridge, in between, so you're not just sending them straight over to that. And if you set it up like this, it's going to massively impact your sales for the better. Because if you add someone to your email list, you have them on your email list for life until they decide to unsubscribe. So you have unlimited chances to get whatever sale you're trying to make with this person. And if you don't build your email list, you only get one chance. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Now, below in the description, I offered a bunch of links of my resources that I use to grow my YouTube channel and how I started my affiliate marketing business so fast. I give away a free ebook, so check the description. I'm also going to be pretty soon putting in the description a link to Russell Brunson's network marketing secrets. I'm still creating my bonus page, so it will be there soon. So please keep checking back and looking in the description below. Now, people ask me why I don't choose either MLM or affiliate marketing. It's because, like I said before, they're the exact same model, and I love both models. And actually, with MLM, it's just like affiliate marketing, only you also get commissions from people that you bring in as an affiliate and from the products that they sell as well. So you have a chance to make more commission, and you have the chance to give people an opportunity to do what you're doing and grow with you as a team. So how do we get people to buy from you when they hit your bridge page instead of buying from everyone else that's selling the same product as you? The answer is, guys, you create bonuses that incentivize them to buy from you instead of buying from somebody else. Now, I'm going to make another video that shows you just how to get these bonuses very easily, but when I explain my product and recruiting funnel for MLM and affiliate marketing in a little bit, I will show you how I come up with the ideas for my bonuses. So stay till the end, guys. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, so let's get into the funnel, guys. The thing you've been waiting for. Okay, guys. So this is what my MLM recruiting product and affiliate funnel looks like. So let me just zoom in here. Oops. So first, this is the bridge page. This is the page that you're going to send traffic to before they get to your offer. So over here, you're going to want to put an attractive headline, attractive sub-headline, and then we got a video that they watch. And then this video, you explain to them what the product is, what it's about, why they should buy it, show them how they can buy it. Like I recommend in the video, going over and walking them through the whole funnel, including your page, showing them what button to press, what to do after they type their email in, and how to purchase the product. And then also remind them to look out for emails from you and tell them that it might be in the promotion or spam folder, because when you first start out, a lot of the times your email will go to that folder, and let them know that you're going to be providing value to them and not just selling them stuff, and give them incentive to check their email, maybe even send them something. Maybe even send them a lead magnet or something. So next, you have a call to action. That is going to take them to this pop-up right here. It'll be on the same page as your funnel. That's where they enter in their name and their email address, and then they're added to your email list. The submit call to action button, after they enter in their name and email address, or just email address, whatever you want to do, that's when it sends them to the affiliate product page, or your MLM product page, or your MLM business opportunity page. So below the call to action, you're going to want to put a little bit about yourself and the product. And then you're going to have the offer that your MLM product page. Then you're going to have the offer right here from your affiliate product or MLM product, whatever they're offering. And then down here, you're going to have your offer, which is going to be the bonuses that you're going to create to offer an incentive. This is going to be your own offer right here, which is going to be the bonuses you're going to create to incentivize them to buy through your link. Then right here, you're going to put the total value plus your free bonuses, and then what they're actually going to pay. And that's going to be whatever the product price is in your MLM or on your affiliate product. You can't charge for your bonuses. That's not legal. You're giving away these bonuses to incentivize them to buy through you instead of anybody else. And then down here, testimonials. If you're just starting out, you're probably not going to have very many testimonials. So just include some testimonials that are already available for the product. Just go to YouTube and type in the product and search testimonials, and then include that video on your bridge page. It's not illegal to do that. So after they enter in their email, this is where is the most important part, because this is where you're going to have the customer for a lifetime unless they unsubscribe for you, and you continue to sell to them and provide them value. And that's how you really make money in your email list. So this is your email autoresponder series right here. And with that, so what I like to do usually is send them a video course or a video series of some sort and provide them lots of value. And then right here in the email or the link to the video course, I always have a call to action in case they forgot to buy. That brings them back to here, which is the MLM product BizOp or affiliate product page, aka your affiliate link destination. Now after that, I would recommend setting up more than 5 emails. I would set up at least 7 or 8, because after this could be you selling them your MLM product, and then after you provide them all this value, you can include a couple more emails, and on the 6th or 7th email you could be like, hey, do you want to join my opportunity? Do you want to do stuff like this too? And just keep providing them value. And people in affiliate marketing, you want to keep providing them value so you can continue to sell them products, and they'll trust you when you bring them a product that they should buy. They'll know that it's a valuable product and will really help them in their life or in their business. So now, guys, I'm going to show you an example that I cooked up for you guys real quick on what an actual affiliate product page looks like. It's one that I created really quickly, selling to sell expert secrets. It's kind of like one I've used before, but I just made it real quick for you guys to see. 1 second. So here it is, guys. As you see, I have a headline and a sub-headline, and what I want you to take note in is I'm going to go ahead and get to the next page, which is with the affiliate product page, and it's going to look pretty similar to this one. Congruency is a huge importance when making an affiliate product page, because when they get to the next page, they want to feel like they're in the right place. So as you see, I put how do we receive my bonuses, the steps. There's my video. There's my call to action. And then see right here, I put here's what you're going to get from Russell Brunson. You know, and I list everything that he offers on the next page. And then I also threw in, now these are kind of a poor example of bonuses. I just made them really quickly. And you want to have, like, I'd say at least 5 bonuses. And I'm going to make another video and show you how to make these bonuses for free and how to make them really good and provide lots of value to your following. So please subscribe so you can see that video here pretty soon in the future. So as you can see here, see I put total value and that your price free, only pay shipping, because that's what it is. And then you see I got my privacy policy, my disclaimer, my terms of service, and support. You're going to want to put that stuff in your funnels to make sure you don't get flagged by, especially if you're advertising on Facebook or YouTube ads or Google ads. So I'm just going to click this here. Now this is my pop-up, and I put phone number in there and name, but I put both optional. When you're first starting out, I would just recommend putting email address, because you're going to have higher conversions without giving them all these other extra options to do. But I'm just going to put one of my emails in there real quick. Sorry, it's taking a second to load. See, as you can see, I got the same headline. There's a video just like Russell's page. I got the call, he's got the call to action right there, everything he provides. So there's congruency there, guys. It's not exactly the same, but they're going to feel like they're in the right place, you know? Well, that's it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe, and look out for more videos like this. And look below in the description. There's going to be some bonuses down there and a free ebook about affiliate marketing that's really good. And there's a couple links to the places I use to grow my YouTube channel, and they're really good tools. So please check those out, guys.
Hey guys, so I wanted to make a separate video that explains in depth how I create my bonuses. I know I said it's going to be at the end of the video, but I just wanted to let you know. Look out for my next video. It'll be about how I create bonuses for my MLM product page and my affiliate product page and my MLM recruiting page. Please like and subscribe, and God bless everyone.